this video, I will show you how to find the process ID, also called the PID, of a running program in Ubuntu. We will do this using the terminal. Let's begin. First, open your terminal. You can press Ctrl, Alt and T together on your keyboard. Or you can search for terminal in your applications. Now, let's start a program so that we can find its PID. For this example, I will open the text editor called gedit. To do that, I type gedit and then press Enter. Now, gedit is running. Next, I want to find the PID of this running program, so I open a new terminal window or tab. In the new terminal, I type this command, psaux grep gedit, and replace the gedit with your program name, then press Enter. This command searches for all running processes with the name gedit. You will see one or more lines. Look at the second column in the line. That number is the PID or process ID. This number is how Ubuntu keeps track of running programs. You can use this PID for many things, like stopping the process or checking its resource usage. When you are done, you can close the program, or you can stop it using the kill command. For example, kill 12345, replace 12345 with the actual PID you saw. That's it. You now know how to find the PID of a running terminal program in Ubuntu. Thank you for watching.